So guys, I know it's very, I'm looking very good. But my t-shirt slogan, makes me very happy. So every 2 seconds, go think about me. But I don't want any kind of girl, or that she thinks about me. It's enough for me to that show you the information. Yeah, and the metrics, they are changing the metrics in the streets as I show you the informations about energy bolts and the streets. In the next few videos, I will show a few parts of the machines and the people who are working here. And I don't want to make I don't know, zooming in and stuff, so just watching and so you learn some other people's, see another individuals, guys. They are coming.